Hello, my name is Chris, and this is Hannah, and we're here to talk to you about solar-powered energy. Hannah, what is solar-powered energy?
Well, Chris, did you know that most of the energy we use originally came from the sun? The sun rays, or solar radiation, that reaches the earth is how we define this solar energy. This energy from the sun has powered life on earth for millions of years. So Chris, how can this radiant energy be useful to us?
Glad you asked, Hannah. Kids like yourself are able to use solar energy more than you think. Did you know that you can use solar energy to heat your pool? Imagine how much money you can save by using the sun as your own personal heating source.
The sun is definitely good for a lot more than just heating pools, Chris. Solar-powered energy comes into use a lot more than we realize. For example, all those flashing warning signs on the sides of roads have solar panels on top of them to provide energy. Plus, more and more people have decided to install solar panels on their houses. The University of Michigan even competes in a competition to see who can build the best solar-powered car. Imagine if we could eliminate our gas problems simply by putting a panel on the roof of our car.
Wow, Hannah, I never would have thought that the sun is that useful. But unfortunately, there are some downsides using solar energy. The amount of sunlight that hits the Earth's surface is not constant. It does vary depending on the time of day, time of year, location, and weather conditions. Also, the sun doesn't deliver that much energy to any one place at any one time. A larger surface area would be required to collect the energy at a useful rate.
Well, Chris, everything is only as successful as you make it. If you plan out where the best location and the most sun is, you will get the best results from the sun.
Each of these sources are renewable, which means they can be replenished by nature over a short period of time. It's important to use renewable sources because they will save our planet.
So Chris, if you're telling our viewers that they should provide their homes with electricity through solar, how are they able to do this?
Well, Hannah, solar power generation works almost the same as fossil fuel generation, except instead of using steam produced from the combustion of fossil fuels, the steam is produced by the heat collected from sunlight. In order to achieve the high temperature to heat the fluid, solar thermal technologies use concentrator systems. The three main types of solar thermal power systems are parabolic trough, solar dish, and solar power tower.
Hey Chris, did you know Hey Chris, did you know that solar thermal energy is what we use to heat water in the inside of buildings? In order to do this, we use space heating. The two different types of space heating systems can be classified as passive or active. A great example of passive space heating is what happens to your car on a hot summer day. The sun's rays heat up the inside of your car. And active heating systems require a collector to absorb and collect solar radiation. In order to absorb fluid, fans or pumps are used to circulate the heated air.
Wow, Hannah, I guess I never really realized how effective the sun can be to our lives. It's always very important to do whatever we can to help save money and our planet. So, Hannah, we've covered a lot of information today, so let's recap. See if you can answer these questions.
Where did most of the energy we use originally come from? A, the sun, B, the air, C, the soil, or D, the oceans?
The correct answer is A, the sun. Did you get it right? Alright, try this next one.
Parabolic trough, solar dish, and a solar power tower are examples of A, solar lighting systems, B, solar flowing systems, C, solar thermal systems, or D, solar renewable systems.
I know that was a tough one. The correct answer is C, solar thermal systems. All three are ways in which we can collect the radiant energy from the sun. Here's our final question. Hannah?
Your car heating up on a hot summer day is an example of A, solar heating, or B, passive heating.
The correct answer is B, passive heating. Well, I hope that you enjoyed our short video here, and that you might even change the way you provide electricity for your house.
Thanks for joining us today. I'm Hannah.
And I'm Chris.
See you next time. Goodbye.